guys, so currently I have just gotten back from the gym. As you can see, I'm a sweaty and tired mess right now, but that's fine. I am about to make some breakfast. I've got a day of pretty much planning, birthday planning, want to go get a tan, might get my nails done, I might just leave them because I don't know what to do yet. And just buy some stuff for tomorrow. So my birthday is tomorrow. It is my 22nd. Kind of going a bit hard because I didn't really get a 21st. We were stuck in COVID and I had 2 friends over. What a joke. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along and let's do it.
Please don't let me drown. Please don't let me drown.
Alrighty, so breakfast today, I can't remember what the granola is called, but I will put it up there. Like a ton of granola, a YoPro salted caramel yogurt, and a whole bunch of blueberries on top. It's literally my breakfast like every day because I just haven't got sick of it yet, so yum. Alright, first stop, get my tan. I have just stopped. I'm at Lashes by Beck, always my go-to. So she's gonna make me look amazing for tomorrow. Obviously wearing the full-on daggy outfit for the tan, as always, so let's get it. Alrighty, we are all tanned up. Oh my gosh. So dark. Looks so freaking good. Beck is amazing. Like, these tans literally just last so long. And then they just fade after literally like 10 days, sometimes longer. Like, you. Now that I am brown, me and Mum are gonna go to Westfield and we're going to get some stuff for tomorrow, and I'm gonna get these fixed up. Like, look at that. Disgusting. Me and Mum are currently in David Jones trying to find like any sort of cocktail glasses. We've had no luck in Kmart. Oh, here we go. Here's glasses. Oh, we ended up finding some really nice glasses, which I will show when we use them tomorrow morning. God, my hair is a mess. And we also got a whole bunch of Mother's Day flowers for all the mums. Love the mums. So yeah, now I'm gonna go home and wash this tan off, and excited for tomorrow. We'll check in then. Also, nails looking fresh. Ooh, we love it. White once again. There is no other color, sorry. Okay. Hello. What are you doing? Hello. Hello. Oh yeah, scratchy, scratch. Aww. So cute. Luke just got me these. Aww. Good morning, everybody. Wow, I just sound so squeaky just then. Can we just ignore that? So I've just done my makeup. I actually didn't tell you guys what I'm doing today. So I've hired out a private boat on Cronulla and got like a few friends. So yeah, we're going to go around, we get to swim. It's going to be so epic. I wanted to do like a little boat party for so long. I just love that. And the weather is amazing. So stoked. Yeah, so I need to fix this hair for when we go. Yeah, so I think I've got Tom coming over. We're gonna make some margaritas this morning before we go, because like, why the hell not? And I will be vlogging hopefully most of the time on the boat. Got these glasses that me and Mum scored at Maya, legit, because there was one missing. We got the whole box of 15 bucks. Like, what? Love that. Ooh. Alright, so we are going to be making I have some Mr. Consistent cocktail mixes. Yeah, so we just went way too crazy on the tequila.
Don't mind it though.
It's fine, you know, it's good. Alright, let's go on a boat. What? The camera's judging you.
Yeah. Like, look at it, it's just staring me down. Nice.
I like your mask though, cute.
Oh, thank you.
What's it got? Oh,
It's a little leaf.
that's nice.
It's a New Zealand fern.
Did you get it from New Zealand?
No, I got it from Mum.
Oh, okay.
Bye, bitches.
You look so boat prepared. Outfit check. Oh my god.
Hi guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let me in there.
10% off for discounts and anything.
So anyway, we're just out on the boat. It's a beautiful day.
Hi mum, love you mum.
Yeah.
Come pick me up, there's alcohol.
Dance on the rooftop! Give me the fucking dance!
Alright, we're heading back now. Super fun. Like the boat is amazing. So it's Minkata Charters. If you guys want to check it out, I will tag them. Yeah. Alright.
Someone go James.
It is cake time. And literally, I got the OG Freddo ice cream cake. I think I've had this since I was like 5 years old, and I will continue to get it every single year until I die. Where's the cake? Where's the cake? Where's the cake? So Mum's just popping some sparklers on there. I'm 4.
Happy birthday to you, Maddie. Happy birthday to you. Let's get this out.
Somewhat.
Don't fall in the pool.